everyone, welcome you back in my geography class. Today we are going to start with a new chapter of class 4 and the name of the chapter is the Southern Plateau. In our earlier videos we have discussed about the northern plains and also we have discussed about the plateaus, that what is a plateau. Now we have seen that the land of both the plains and plateaus are largely flat. But then what is the difference between these two landforms? So in this chapter, we are going to know the difference between the two landforms, that is plain and the plateaus. We will also know about the location of the Southern Plateau. We will know its physical features along with the states that are included in the Southern Plateau. We will also know about the people who live in the states. We will know about their language, about their culture, about their dresses and also about different festivals that they celebrate. So without wasting much of our time, let us start with our new chapter, the Southern Plateau. Now at first, let us know what is a plateau. We have learned the definition of plateau before also, but let us recapitulate what is a plateau. A plateau is a large area of land higher than the surrounding area above 300 meters and is flat at the top. So what is a plateau? A plateau is a large area of land higher than the surrounding area above 300 meters and is flat at the top. Let us know some of the examples of the plateau. The Southern Plateau, the Tibetan Plateau. These are some of the examples of plateau. Now, as you can see, the Southern Plateau as an example of plateau. Now, let us know about the location of the Southern Plateau. Now, let us know the location of the Southern Plateau. Where does the Southern Plateau is located? It is located in India. What is its exact position? Here is the northern plains and the Southern Plateau is located to the south of the northern plains. So where does Southern Plateau lies? It lies to the north of the northern plains. The Southern Plateau is triangular in shape. Now, as you can see, the Southern Plateau, you will see that it is triangular in shape. So how it is? It is triangular in shape. So the Southern Plateau is triangular in shape. Here the land of the Southern Plateau is uneven and rocky. So we can say that the land of the Southern Plateau is uneven and rocky. Now let us see that which are the hills that border the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau is bordered by the Southern Plateau is bordered by the Aravali Hills on the northwest, the Rajmahal Hills on the northeast, and the hilly regions called Ghats, that is the Western Ghats on the west and the Eastern Ghats on the east. Now let me make it much easier for you so that you can remember. So here is the Southern Plateau, north, south, west and east. Here we have northwest, here we have northeast, here we have southwest and here we have southeast. So the Southern Plateau is bordered by the Aravali Hills on the northwest, by the Rajmahal Hills on the northeast, and by the hilly regions that are called Ghats. On the west we have the Western Ghats, and on the east we have the Eastern Ghats. So now it is quite easier to remember that the Southern Plateau is bordered by the Aravali Hills on the northwest, the Rajmahal Hills on the northeast, the Western Ghats on the west and the Eastern Ghats on the east. Now there are many rivers which flows through the Southern Plateau. Now let us see that which river divides the Southern Plateau into two parts. Now let us know that which river divides the Southern Plateau into two parts. River Narmada. Can you see here River Narmada? So River Narmada divides the Southern Plateau into two parts. River Narmada is one of the major river that flows through Southern Plateau. And also it is one of the longest river of India. The river Narmada forms the Narmada Valley, which divides the Southern Plateau into two parts. Now let us see which are the two parts into which the Southern Plateau is divided into. The Narmada Valley divides the Southern Plateau into two main parts. What are those? Here you can see that here is the Narmada and here the valley is formed by the Narmada river, the Narmada Valley. To the north of the Narmada Valley is the Central Highlands, and to the south of the Narmada Valley is the Deccan Plateau. So we can say that to the north of the Narmada Valley is the Central Highlands, and to the south of the Narmada Valley is the Deccan Plateau. Now let us know about the Central Highlands. The Central Highlands The Central Highlands includes the Malwa Plateau. Here is the Malwa Plateau. It is on the northwest, and the Chotanagpur Plateau on the northeast. So the Central Highlands includes the Malwa Plateau on the northwest and the Chotanagpur Plateau on the northeast. Now let us know about the Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravali Hills and the Vindhya Hills. So where is the Malwa Plateau? The Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravali Hills and the Vindhya Hills. The Malwa Plateau includes parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Important cities of this region are Bhopal, Indore and Gwalior. So the Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravali Hills and the Vindhya Hills. It includes parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, and the important cities of this region are Bhopal, Indore and Gwalior. Now let us move ahead with the Chotanagpur Plateau. Now let us know about the Chotanagpur Plateau. We have read about the Malwa Plateau. Now we will read about the Chotanagpur Plateau. The Chotanagpur Plateau includes much of Jharkhand and parts of Orissa, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. The Chotanagpur Plateau is rich in minerals like coal, iron, mica, manganese. Some important coal mines are located in the Chotanagpur Plateau. Which are the important coal mines that are located in the Chotanagpur Plateau? Let us see. Important coal mines located in the Chotanagpur Plateau are Girid in Bihar, Jharia in Jharkhand and Raniganj in West Bengal. Two of India's largest steel plants are located in Chotanagpur Plateau. Now let us know that which are the two of India's largest steel plants. Two of India's largest steel plant that is located in the Chotanagpur Plateau is at Bokaro and at Bhilai, the Bokaro steel plant and the Bhilai steel plant. In the Chotanagpur Plateau, diamond mines are also found in the Panna regions of Madhya Pradesh. As we have read that Chotanagpur Plateau is very rich in mineral resources, we can also see that many parts of the Chotanagpur Plateau is covered with forest, which provides different varieties of wood and other useful things. So, many parts of the Chotanagpur Plateau is also covered with forest, which provides different varieties of woods which have high commercial value and other useful things which can be utilized by all of us. So in today's video, what we have learned about plateaus, that what do you mean by plateaus? We have learned about the location of the Southern Plateau. We have learned about the Narmada Valley, which divides the Southern Plateau into two parts. To the north of the Narmada Valley is the Central Highlands, and to the south of the Narmada Valley is the Deccan Plateau. In this video, we have discussed about the Central Highlands, where we have discussed about the Malwa Plateau and the Chotanagpur Plateau, which are included in the Central Highlands. In the next video, we will discuss about the Deccan Plateau. I hope all of you understood whatever has been explained in this video. To make this chapter more easier, a PDF is attached in the description box. You can click on the PDF and you can get the ready notes and the summary of the chapter. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Stay tuned. I will be back soon with the next topic, the Deccan Plateau. Till then, stay safe and study well. Thank you.